Hey guys, what's up? It's Me Vee, and I'm back with another video, and it's day 3. Oh shit, day 3. I ain't drank that much. It's day 3. So we're about to head out, go to Walmart. I'm about to go and try to find us like a cute swimsuit to wear while we out, because we seen everybody yesterday, you know, it's hot as hell, and I think we were wearing too many clothes, you know, it's giving too many clothes. We're sharing a little more shit. So I think I'm gonna show y'all when I get there, or I might show y'all after, or y'all might not see any, y'all might just see the pictures. So just work with me, we'll see how everything come out. But hope y'all enjoyed the other videos. You know, it was pretty chill yesterday. Today it might be a little more footage because it's supposed to be turned today, but we'll see how everything goes. Thanks for watching.
Everybody just like this.
Woo. Nothing left but the walk.
No thank you.
Thank you. We need to exercise, baby.
Right? What you walk before?
Girl, my shorts too little. My ass is eating this. My thighs can't handle it. Right. And then we ain't put no sunscreen on. Sorry. Finna burn like bacon. We haven't been out here that long, but the walk is crazy, depending on where you park. So it's not as yesterday. I feel like we got up the ramp a little faster than this. They can get their ass whooped. They climbed on that balcony. I told you.
Word protection. Don't let these niggas get you pregnant, bitch. Talk to them. They're trying to fuck your motherfucking summer up, ho. I found out I was pregnant cat at Cone and I ain't fucked since. Get the fuck out of here. What are you doing? Don't be back down the butter hole. I think that I'm speaking on it. Every time they see me drop, not in their head, not as hell. No, they won't.
Somebody say I made that my sock came home, my body we like that shit. Yeah, that's us. 2:08 p.m. Got to hear from Randy. They came, this is my city. They call me Robert, this is my city. Rich, fucker, then I'll leave the channel, give me kids, all I'm nothing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 6. English, Spanish, and French. English, Spanish, and French.
guys, what's up? Back with another video. So we just got to First Watch. Y'all look at the water. Y'all know I gotta always see my water. Got the crew up there. It's in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah, it is beautiful out here. We already put in for our table. Now we just kind of waiting. They said it'll be a few minutes, but we'll see what happens. I got on a bodysuit. New bodysuit, hot as freak. I shouldn't have brought this bodysuit, honestly. I should have brought one of my dresses, but I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit it. I should have tried on before I left. But you know, it is what it is. But we're gonna go back home and change anyway, so I ain't bothered. Then we're going here and eat. Hopefully we'll be in the cool air, because your girl been sweating bullets all week. I'll tell you that. After this, we're supposed to go to like a day party, because they got day parties out here on like rooftops and stuff. And then after the day party, we're supposed to go to Rolling Loud. Then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. For the past few days, because we've been doing all that walking, we just come home and talk a little mess with everybody else and go straight to sleep. It's hard to party after doing something like that. Walk around for about 5-6 hours. I know tomorrow we're supposed to go to the beach, because today is Sunday now, and for the past few days it really just been, we'll separate and half the group go do what they do and we go to Rolling Loud. But you know, it is what it is at this point. I really just want to do something with some water, because there ain't no water at the house, and we get tired of getting in other folks' pool. I just want to, you know, go to the beach or something, ride jet ski or something. Hopefully they'll have like rental jet skis and stuff there. And I hope the beach will be like okay with the water to get in. Well, other than that, we're just patiently waiting for our table. I gotta go back up here and talk to everybody else. I already look crazy. You know how we be vlogging and we sitting there talking to everybody, be like, what the fuck is she talking about?
Like 13,000. It's like 13,000. These more civil ones?
About that time now, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn up for the last day. So instead of the big box, they got 4 Loko. The 4 Loko strong. This shit taste like candy. It tastes like what? It tastes like candy. Definitely candy. It's warhead. What are you doing here? I don't know.
haven't fallen off yet. Come on, classic, they come around years later, the same as a sleeper. The hairs are red, the petty is red, like your mind is a feature. The positive.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go. Wait for that bitch. My man, my man. My man. Hold up, I probably do. Wait a minute. Hold on. My bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up top with the Uzi. Yeah. Yeah, my bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up top with the Uzi. My niggas is savage.
But you don't mean nothing.